So if you think about the HAMP protocol, it really is designed more for, let's say, human resource departments. It's basically digitally describing your job as it relates to the platform that you have to operate in. So I'll give you an example, law firm. You have a front desk gal, you have 10, 15 paralegals that all are assistants to active attorneys, and then there's a managing attorney. So typically with most organizations, there's a hierarchy. And typically that hierarchy will set the tone. They'll say, I want this to happen. And they'll bring in a COO or an operations manager, and they're required to literally specify that person's job. And if they're a good organization, they'll put it in writing. And if they're a great organization, they'll put it in writing, and then they'll give them a tool to track their behavior. And that's where HAMP comes in. So HAMP is a protocol. It's built in the back end part of our enterprise zones. Part of the reason for the raise is to unsurface the protocol, turn it into a pure API, so that we can put that HAMP protocol on top of other platforms like HubSpot, like Salesforce, other CRM, ERP platforms that are Web 2, tons of companies out there, tons, Microsoft Dynamic.